set the EX90 up, I'm simply going to remove the cap from the refill to expose the wick, then pinch the sides, take the top off. I just drop the refill into the device, then pop the lid on and push to snap it back into place. Then I just press the power button, you'll hear it beep, and then I'm gonna set it in the center of my area to create my powerful mosquito repelling zone. You'll see oscillating lights when the device is warming up and solid lights once it's going. Within 15 minutes, you'll have maximum protection. When you're done, just press and hold the power button to turn it off.